Welcome to Almost Vegan Cooking School. We have become an online school for students worldwide. 8 years ago, I began teaching right here in this kitchen because I became so excited about teaching and sharing the untold story of plant-based foods. The mission then, as it is today, is to share this with you. We became a nonprofit in 2018, and this was a remarkable event. And why do I say that? Because it happened through our students, who also became inspired about sharing the good news around a plant-based diet. We are a small group of volunteers who just enjoy sharing and helping others learn how to make more vegan meals. In fact, you can sign up today with our online cooking course called Almost Vegan, which is a professionally filmed cooking series of 6 lessons to help you understand the core components of a whole food plant-based diet. As an online student, you have the opportunity to watch these at your own pace. You can even download the videos, and it includes 55 recipes and cooking charts for a one-time fee. You can watch the videos as often as you like. We are sharing news every week, so be sure to sign up for our news blogs and subscribe to our YouTube cooking channel so you won't miss a thing. We are here to provide support and inspiration to help you cook in this new 21st century way.